Imagine spending just 30 minutes each week reviewing your progress, adjusting your goals, and planning for the next 7 days. A simple yet powerful habit that could dramatically boost your productivity and help you achieve your objectives. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create a weekly review template that will revolutionize your workflow and set you up for success. To begin, let's address a common problem. Knowledge workers and students often feel overwhelmed by their never-ending to-do lists, struggling to stay on top of their tasks, and failing to make significant progress toward their goals. This is where the weekly review template comes in, a game-changing tool that helps you prioritize, focus, and achieve more in less time. The concept of a weekly review is not new, but its implementation has been elevated to a science. According to a recent study, individuals who regularly conduct weekly reviews experience a 25% increase in productivity and a 30% reduction